Welcome to the Global Entrepreneur Network, insights to help you grow. Our short video podcast series is dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs worldwide with valuable insights and knowledge to fuel their growth.
Siguro ang kasi parang ang pinaka-market namin ngayon, or in this case parang ako gusto kong mag-focus dun sa mga kaedad ko or even the younger ones para sa akin. Kasi huwag tayong matakot. Kumbaga, huwag tayong matakot. We still have all the years para maka-recover eh. So kung may gusto tayong gawin or lalo na e-business, push lang. Kasi walang problema kung mag-fail eh. Lahat naman yan trial and error. Pero yung sasabihin natin hindi masasayang yun eh. Kasi experience yun. Kung mag-succeed, salamat. Di ba? Kasi